When you hear exercise, most people probably sigh and dread the workout process and probably think about what it takes to have the perfect summer body that's hard to maintain but awesome to show off. Besides showing off what you work so hard for, I want to explain why maybe you should consider working out to benefit you and your life. Exercise and physical health is a big priority that can be done anywhere and can prevent several chronic diseases, provide overall health, and promote better sleep. Several types of chronic diseases can be prevented all by exercises, preventing you from getting a chronic disease or lessen the symptoms if already diagnosed with one. Different examples of chronic diseases that can be prevented with exercise are asthma, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, and many more. A lack of exercise is a major cause of all types of chronic diseases. Because exercise lowers blood pressure, this helps with reducing strain on the heart and prevents blood clots that can lead to, furthermore, heart diseases and strokes. Just as exercise strengthens and helps endure muscles and in your body, exercise can help your heart pump blood throughout your body more efficiently, also reducing risk of heart disease. Another chronic disease I personally suffer from is asthma, and why I personally recommend exercise for people who are diagnosed with this disease. People with asthma suffer trying to breathe because their airways become narrow, inflamed, or even swollen, along with an excess of mucus. With time and regular exercise, your lungs and respiratory system will become stronger and over time lessen the symptoms of this chronic disease. As an example, I was diagnosed with asthma by the time I was 2 months old, and over the years growing up, I was hospitalized at least once a year. But around 7th grade, I joined the school's athletic program and have dramatically lessened the symptoms since I've only been hospitalized twice in the past 5 years. Another major reason I recommend daily exercise it can boost overall health mentally and physically. In fact, studies have shown that exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve your mental health. These studies showed that exercise can treat depression just like an antidepressant would, but without any side effects like nausea, weight gain, anxiety, insomnia, etc. Exercise also releases endorphins to energize you and boost your overall mood and mentality. Moving on to ways exercise can benefit you physically. Regular exercise and activities can densen your bones, making them harder to bruise and break, and can promote muscle growth to make you stronger and make you feel better and give you confidence to change your appearance as well. And my last reason for why I recommend exercise is it can help people get better quality sleep and relaxation. Exercise reduces several effects of sleeping problems and disorders. Basic to moderate intensity exercises reduces the effects of insomnia just after a few weeks of consistent exercising. Studies showed that people who suffered from insomnia who exercised regularly experienced a shortening in time it took to fall asleep and maintaining sleep for longer than usual, and saw an improvement in the quality of sleep they were getting. Studies have also shown that people who don't sleep like they should, getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night, for example, people who sleep with sleep disorders who suffer from not being able to sleep properly, showed an increase of death by 12%. Exercise helping with both getting sleep and with sleeping disorders, some people losing up to 25 years of their lifespan could have been adding years to their life, all by consistent working out. In conclusion, there are several ways exercise can benefit you in the best and smallest ways possible, which is why you should join in helping you live a more active, healthy life.